Okay guys, so we're going to go through a thoracic quick scanning assessment, and essentially for this one we would go through the thoracic spine. You can start, it's up to you whether you want to start near the bottom or near the top. Probably easier just to get your markings nearer the top. You find C7, then obviously just come down one spinal process from that, and then you come laterally. I tend to use this aspect of my hand. You can use thumbs as well if you want to be more specific. I just generally find it a bit easier to use that bit of my hand. I find it a bit easier to feel what's going on as well, and I'm just coming down the spine, each level, and what I'm feeling for is resistance, stiffness, and also a key thing really with these sorts of things is getting feedback from the patient. So I'd be constantly asking them as I'm coming down, does that feel okay? Does it feel sore? If they've got a one-sided problem as well, I would obviously always compare the other side first, and often you're going to find that there are specific levels that people are going to say, yeah, that feels different on that side than it does on the other side, more painful generally speaking, and then that's an area or a level that you could focus in on more a little bit. Me and Glenn were just discussing for the video. Glenn was saying a good differentiation, which was quite nice as well, which essentially is to come onto that area that you've found and actually stabilise the other side facet with that with the other hand. And again, all of these things I'm going to do a close-up on afterwards, and that will be on the video somewhere in a separate video so you can see. And then you do the same thing. So you're on that facet costovertebral joint area, and then if there was, because you're stabilising the spine on your left hand, on the other side, if there was more pain, or if it was still quite painful, then it would be more rib related. Whereas actually if it's there's no difference doing that, then you could say that it was more to do with the spine, and that's how you could differentiate between ribs and spine. And you can always use this as well as a following on to a treatment, which we're going to go through in the next video.